your KRZG 13 Storm Vision Forecast with Zach Evans.
We had some strong and severe storms move through the area late last night into early today. Now that's all to our east or down south. We're working with a little bit of spotty rain across mid-Missouri. Most of us just have cloudy skies, maybe a little bit of mist or fog in some areas. All the rain's out of here by around 9 or 10 a.m. The clouds gone by the time we hit the afternoon, and we will be seeing some sunshine. Our rainfall total since midnight, everyone across mid-Missouri, at least on this screen, is less than an inch. We have several flood warnings and flash flood warnings in effect. Folks in northern Boone County and Audrain County have that flash flood warning going till 8:30 this morning. The flood warning for those along the Missouri River, that's highlighted in green. So you do want to be aware if there is any standing water close to where you live. Never attempt to drive through it. It does not take much to float you or your car away. Temperatures aren't bad, about 10 degrees above the norm with Rolla at 69. Same for Columbia. Capital, even 70 degrees with Sedalia, 1 degree warmer than that. Here's what's happening across the region. Low pressure is spinning to our northeast, and it is in control of the cold front that collided with that very warm and muggy air we had in place yesterday. Highs on Sunday made it into the lower 90s. Well, that front will continue towards the east and the southeast, taking all the rain with it. Looking out west, not a whole lot going on, and we got some very quiet weather the next few days. Granted, it is going to be hot. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. That front moves east. The rain's gone by mid-morning. We have mostly clear skies this afternoon. We stay that way as we head into tonight. Comfortable for tomorrow morning, but as a warm front moves towards St. Louis, that's going to push our temperatures into the lower 90s starting Tuesday. That looks to be where we'll stay again on Wednesday with dry weather. For today, we top out at 86. The rain ends this morning. We'll get clearing tonight, falling into the 60s at 64. Here's the 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the 90s tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. We do have storm chances returning by the end of the week and the weekend. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, in fact. That's going to cool us down into the mid to upper 80s.